Hello.
Hi.
Are you a fresher?
Yes, I am.
What is your name?
My name is Anup.
Where have you come from?
I belong to Bhutan.
In which faculty have you been admitted?
I have been admitted to humanities. I got admission in BA first year.
Why did you opt for humanities?
It's easy to understand. I don't like science, commerce. They are difficult.
It's purely a matter of interest.
My parents wanted me to study arts. My parents' desires so. I had to abide by my parents' desires. My grade in 10th or 12th was not good. So, I was compelled to study arts.
In which school did you study?
I studied in a government school.
Where are you staying?
I hired a room with and stayed there with my friends.
What was your medium?
I studied through Hindi medium.